Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be telling you how to construct a triangle when two angles in the side between them is given using ruler and compasses. I've already done one question wherein we were supposed to construct a triangle when two angles and the side between them was given to us, but that was when the angles given were drawn using the protractor. Now the two side angles will be constructed using the ruler and the compasses. So let us see the question. Construct a triangle PQR with PQ equal to 7.5 centimeters, angle RPQ is equal to 45 degrees, and angle RQP is equal to 45 degrees. Now, clearly, the two angles are the angles on the points P and Q of the PQ side given to us. Now, measure the third angle. What kind of triangle is it? So, these are the two questions that follow after the construction of triangle. So, let us first make the rough figure. I have taken any triangle PQR because PQ side is given to us. Let us take PQ as the base. We'll mark PQ equal to 7.5 centimeters. Angle P is given to us as 45 degrees. Angle Q is also given to us as 45 degrees. So we'll be making the base PQ of 7.5 centimeters. And on this base PQ, we'll construct using ruler and compasses the angles P and Q of 45 degrees each. So let us see the steps of construction using the exact measurements now. So my first step is to draw line segment PQ of length 7.5 centimeters. Now at P, I need to construct an angle of 45 degrees. So with P as center in any radius, I will make an arc. Wherever this arc intersects the line segment PQ, I mark that as point X. Then with X as center and the same radius, I make an arc to intersect the previous arc at point Y. I repeat the process. With Y as center and the same radius, I make another arc to intersect my first arc at point Z. Now, if you carefully observe, angle YPZ will be equal to 60 degrees. I will bisect this angle. So, with Y as center, I make an arc. With the same radius and Z as center, I make another arc to intersect the previous arc at point K. I mark the point of intersection as K. I join PK to intersect my first arc at point L. Now angle XPL will be how much? It will be equal to 90 degrees. I will bisect angle XPL. So with X as center and any radius, I make an arc. With the same radius and L as center, I make another arc to intersect the previous arc at point S. I join PS and I extend it to point A, then angle QPA will be equal to 45 degrees. So I've got an angle of 45 degrees at point P. Now I'll be exactly same way making another angle of 45 degrees at point Q also. So with Q as center and any radius, I make an arc. Wherever this arc intersects the line segment PQ, I mark it as point M. With M as center and the same radius, I make an arc to intersect the previous arc at point N. Then with N as center and without changing the radius, I make the third arc to intersect the first arc at point O. Now again, NQO angle will be equal to 60 degrees. I will bisect NQO. So with N as center and any radius, I make an arc. With O as center and the same radius, I make another arc to intersect the previous arc at point C. I join QC. Wherever QC is intersecting the first arc, I mark that as point D. So with M as center and any radius, I make an arc. With D as center and the same radius, I make another arc to intersect the previous arc at point E. I join QE and extend it to point B. Then angle PQB will be equal to 45 degrees. Wherever line segment PA and QB are intersecting, I mark that point as point R. Then PQR is the required triangle. I darken it because there's so many arcs and lines visible. The required triangle is PQR. Let us measure the third angle it was asked. So third angle, angle R is equal to 90 degrees. I can see that. So what kind of triangle is it? Because the base angles, angle RPQ and angle RQP are both given equal to 45 degrees each. So you can check that RP and RQ will also come out to be of equal length, and hence it will be an isosceles triangle. So don't forget to write the answer. Triangle PQR is the required isosceles triangle, and angle PRQ is equal to 90 degrees. So this finishes the construction. I hope you don't have any problem in this construction. Thank you so much.